What's up? It's your boy Japan, aka the Florida boy. You know how I do. One half of the group, Bokeys finest. Me and my brother, butt naked, man. We gotta run things, man. Best believe it. Come out of Sanford, Florida, boy. We got a free cookout for the public, man. Stop the violence weekend, baby. June 9th, Sunday, right here at Midway Park, Sanford, Florida, at 2:30, man. Show your support, man. Stop the violence, man. We here, baby. Believe it.
Looking out the window, bitch, I think I seen Elvis. Clear blue skies, but I'm fogging up the plane in the Mile High Club. Me and Mary Jane on a trip around the world, so don't ask me where I'm going. I'm stopping in Jamaica, cause I know them niggas blowing. I'm stopping out in Cali, before I get to Maui. You know I'm surfing Maui, cause Maui got that wowie. Back in Arizona in a 3-day coma. I cough so bad, bitch, they think I got pneumonia. You know what's in my briefcase, nothing but that G8. Smoking on that loud, this shit is louder than your P8. I'm smoking real good, that Mr. Feel Good. Your shit is doodle brown, I smoke that real kush. I'm down